ng basketball court, Honorable Dondon Hontiveros.
Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. It is with great pride and honor that I welcome you all to the Kalayaan Job Fair, held in celebration of the 127th Philippine Independence Day. Apologies, I just came from our program this morning dito sa Plaza Sugbo. This meaningful activity is spearheaded, of course, by the Department of Manpower Development Placement atong DMDP in partnership with Dolly. It is a powerful reminder that true independence also means the ability to pursue dignified work, sustain our families, and contribute meaningfully to our society. So perfect to kay ni Sir Anton, imo kong invite kay mahuman akong term June 30, 11:59 AM. So mangita sa quick trabaho kauban sa akong staff. Sakto jud kay imong pag-invite na ko, no? Nga naa jud ko diri. Kidding aside, as we